You've been asking of platforms you can use Seedance 2.0 for free. So because of that, I found 3 platforms you can use Seedance 2.0 for free, and I'm going to show you that in this video. Utilizing the platform credits, and I will also show you how you can claim other credits that will keep you on the platform to keep generating for free. These are new platforms that is not yet saturated, so while it is still new, jump on it now and start creating with it. All right, so the first platform we'll be looking at is this platform, Piapi. That is Piapi. This platform is amazing. Now log into this platform with your Gmail. It's an open source AI. You can use any AI models of your choice. The one we are going to be using on this particular platform to test if it's literally working is the Seedance model. So go ahead and click on that Seedance. Once you click on Seedance, you're going to have the interface that looks this way. The way you need to do, you want to see text to video, first frame to last frames, omni reference, first reference. So we are going to be using the text to video because I literally have my prompt, okay? And I want to leave it at the 5 seconds, and I want to switch the ratio to 16:9, and I'm going to leave it at the way it is, 480p. Then I'm going to go ahead and select whether standard or fast or less restrictions. That one is dependent on you. I'll paste my prompt, and this prompt I got it from ChatGPT, and I'm going to go ahead and use $0.40 to create this, and this platform gives us $0.50. So once you are okay with everything, go ahead and hit send. Then the platform will start generating your video automatically, and in no time your video is ready. Now watch the final output. Now, if you are cool with the entire process, what you need to do is to click on that 3 dots, or you click on the download button you see there and click on the 3 dots and download your video without any watermark. That is incredibly insane. And the next platform we'll be exploring in this video is this particular platform. Guys, let me know what you think about this first platform already in the comment section. This platform, this second platform, is interesting. They offer us free video generation using any top model of your choice. So we'll be using Seedance 2.0 mini. Here you have one free generation without any credit, 0 credit. That is interesting. So let's see how it works, whether it's working till now. As at the time making this video, it is working. So let's see if it's working. So head over there, and of course, once if you want to add more credit, okay, there are other benefits, like you can get free credit, like by click on that get free credit to add up more credits to the ones you already have, because you already have 20 credit. But every time you log into the platform, you have to claim your 10 credit. Now this 10 credit is simple. Watch a short ad. Once that short ad is done playing, the 10 credit will be added to your credit, and it will top up till you're able to have a lot of credit that will enable you to use Seedance 1.5 mini. That is after using the 1 free trial. All right, so let's see if it actually works. So after you're done with this, exactly what you are seeing now, go ahead and close this. Now the platform will automatically close itself once you are done watching the ads, because it knows that you're watching the ads. Let's see if we'll be able to create one free video on this platform. So we are going to select the, you see, the Seedance 1.5 mini is free. So I have to paste my prompt, okay, that I generated, the same prompt that I used in this video all through. So I'm going to see everything is 0 credit. Even if you switch it to 720p, it's still 0 credit. So it gives us 1 free trial. So utilize this platform and generate your videos. The next platform we'll be looking at platform here. This platform is still free, and it offers us 100 daily credit. Now watch this. Sign into this platform. The moment you sign into the platform, select the email of your choice. Click on where you have your profile picture and your profile name. You want to see 100 free credit. So if you've not used it, go ahead and select video and select the model of your choice. So we'll be using Seedance, okay? Seedance 2.0 because you love it. So I'm going to go ahead and start using it for video generation. Now let's see how much credit this platform is going to cost us. This platform, for you to generate, you can literally upload a reference image by clicking that plus sign. But for me, because I don't have any reference image, I'm going to leave it at text to video. I'm going to use 11 credit per second. Okay, now let's see how much credit in total is going to cost us. Okay, if we increase the resolution, it's going to increase. All right, it's going to increase for 4 seconds video. So I'm going to increase that to at least let's increase to 5 seconds, right? 5 seconds is 11 seconds, right? Okay, awesome. So 11 credit per second, and of course let's send it. Now I'm sending only one variation. Your task is running, so we are going to see it popping up here. The result is here. Play it, preview it, and if you like the output, this is amazing. Honestly, the result is incredibly insane. Like we are seeing here, it's so real, and this is Seedance, like no other. No, there's some platform that says it's Seedance board, it's not Seedance. So this is one of the platforms you should try out now and keep using Seedance 2.0 for free. If you watched it this time, let me know the platform you love the most, okay, and the one you'll be trying out right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.